Peripherals in computing refer to external devices that connect to a computer to provide additional functionality and input-output capabilities. These include devices such as keyboards, mice, printers, scanners, external drives, and more. Peripherals expand the capabilities of a computer by allowing users to input data, receive output, and interact with the system. Input peripherals like keyboards and mice enable users to provide commands and interact with software. Output peripherals, such as monitors and printers, display information or produce hard copies. Storage peripherals like external hard drives or USB drives allow for additional data storage. Peripherals typically connect to the computer through various ports, such as USB, HDMI, or Bluetooth. They enhance the overall user experience and cater to specific needs, whether it's for gaming, content creation, productivity, or other tasks. As technology evolves, so do peripherals, with advancements like wireless connectivity and ergonomic designs enhancing the efficiency and convenience of computer interactions. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.